from Nailah's Word Bazaar and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. So after a long time, I've decided to post a short video on some interesting and useful idioms that can be used in your day-to-day conversations. So let's get going. The first phrase that we have is cool as a cucumber. Now this phrase comes from the fact that even if it is hot outside, the inside of a cucumber always has a constant cooling temperature. This phrase is used to describe someone who is calm, collected, and is good at hiding their emotions even during turbulent times. For example, he was cool as a cucumber while speaking in front of hundreds of people. This means that even though he was speaking in front of hundreds of people, he was calm and collected. He was cool as a cucumber. The next phrase that we have is hold your horses. Now this doesn't actually mean to hold your horse, but rather to stop or wait for a minute so you can keep pace with what's happening around you. People normally use this expression when they need a moment to think or to do something. For example, you're going to go out with your parents and they're screaming at you from downstairs to come, but you're not ready yet. So you tell them, hold your horses, I'm not ready yet. Now this is a phrase that I hear quite commonly around me. It's called head in the clouds. This phrase is used to describe someone who daydreams a lot. It is used to tell about someone who has impractical thoughts and is far away from reality. For example, my head was in the clouds for a minute. I was daydreaming about a vacation to Switzerland. Now the fourth phrase that we have is keep your eyes peeled. You tell someone to keep their eyes peeled for something. It means you're telling them to be attentive and to observe things very carefully. You keep your eyes peeled when you don't want to miss out something important. The last phrase that we have is it's all Greek to me. Now this phrase is used by someone when they don't understand something that is said or something that you read. This term was coined by one of the greatest dramatist writer William Shakespeare in his book Julius Caesar. For example, I tried to read The Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens, but it was all Greek to me. That's it for today. These 5 idioms can make your day-to-day conversations quite unique and